What's going on, everyone? JP here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I found a free text-to-speech platform that you guys could use instead of paying for these other programs like 11 Labs and Speechify, which are amazing programs, but they cost money, right? And being content creators, we have a lot of tools to use, and those costs do add up. So my objective is to find you tools to use for free. And if they're not free, I'm going to try to find you discounts because we have all these different types of tools that we use, right? So the program is called ttsopenai.com. If you want to go there now, you can. I created a quick script with ChatGPT about Christopher, just a random speech about Christopher Columbus. And I plugged it in, and we are going to create I'm going to show you a quick sample of how this works. All right, so I plugged it in. There are a whole bunch of system voices. You can filter through gender, male, female, filter through age, filter through different accents, which I think is pretty amazing. Again, for a free version, I think that is really amazing. The maximum characters you can use is 3,000. That might be an issue. But for me, I use a program called Video Express AI. And what I'll do with that one is I'll just segment it out. So if I have a longer script, I'll just do different parts, and then I'll export and then import those into Video Express AI because I'm going to be making image to video videos. All right, so I like to use, where is Bruce? Bruce is not here. I like Bruce, but I'm going to search for Bruce because I like Bruce. Oh, because I think he is considered, no, there he is. He's considered an old man. Okay, so let's click on Bruce. We got Bruce. And we're going to go ahead and create the speech. Let's do it. Okay, we're back and we're done. And I'm going to push play and let's listen to this.
Christopher Columbus was an Italian explorer born in Genoa in 1451 who became famous for his voyages across the Atlantic Ocean. His expedition, sponsored by Spain, led to the discovery of the Americas by Europeans, though he mistakenly...
Okay, so you can hear that. I think it sounds pretty darn good for a free platform. Again, 11 Labs, this is the one I would probably pay for if there were limitations on this other one. And then Speechify, another great program, but they cost money. And you know as well as I do, these costs do add up with all the tools that we use in our suite of tools as content creators. So again, my objective is to find you free tools or to find you coupons or discounts on tools that will be that will help you grow your business and your faceless YouTube channels. I am focusing a lot right now on faceless YouTube channels. But if you have any comments, just leave those below. If you have any suggestions or recommendations on other free tools, please leave those below. I will also leave a link to videoexpress.ai below if you want to check that out. They have a huge deal going on currently, and that's the program I'm going to be using to create my videos for my faceless YouTube channel, my images to videos, where I plug in my image and then they convert it into videos. So anyway, I will see you on the next one. Remember to like and subscribe so I can continue making content just like this for you. Take care.